Hi, in this video we will be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017th edition Quant Problem Solving question number 25. Let's have a look at this question. The question says, at a supermarket, John spent half of his money on fresh fruits and vegetables, 1/3 on meat products and 1/10 on bakery products. If he spent the remaining $6 on candy, how much did John spend at the supermarket? Alright, so this is a typical linear equation types question in GMAT. So where we can solve this question either using normal equation way of solving it, or we can also use alternative way. Say for an example, we can use here back solving because we have numbers in the answer choices to arrive at an answer. So as usual, so we'll see first the mathematical way, that is algebraic way of solving this question. So let's assume that X is the amount, right, which John had. So X is the amount John had. Now John spent half of his money on fresh fruits. On fresh fruits he is spending half of X. Alright. Then 1/3 on meat products. Meat products he is spending another 1/3 of X. So 1/3 of X. And 1/10 on bakery products. On bakery products another 1/10 of X. Now if he spent the remaining $6 on candy, so he is spending on candy now 6, they have given us the value $6. So now all these should be equivalent to the total money he had, so which is nothing but X, which we have assumed as X. So we need to equate it and solve for it, we'll get an answer. So we'll first find the LCM. LCM of 2, 3 and 10 has to be 30, because 10 ones are 10 will not, 3 will not go in a 10, then 10 twos are 20, 3 will not go in 20, 10 threes are 30, where all 3 of them goes. So if 30 is the LCM, then we will get what, 15x to 15 times, right? 30, 3, 10 times, so 10x in the numerator, and you have 10, 3, 3x, and 6 30s, right? So you can write 180 is equal to x. So in that case, if you cross multiply, so 15x plus 10x plus 3x, so you will get what, 25, 28x is equal to 30x, and you also have 180 in the left hand side. So if you solve it, you will have 28x to the right hand side if you take it, so you'll have 2x is equal to 180. If 2x is 180, then x has to be 90. So that is the amount John spent at the supermarket. So total amount John spent at the supermarket. So answer has to be C. You can eliminate all the other answer choices. This is a typical linear equation type, that is one variable linear equation type in GMAT. Now let's see how to solve this question using back solving. Here we can use back solving because we have numbers in the answer choices. So what is the process of back solving? We'll assume the answer choice C, then we'll work along with the question. We'll check whether it matches the condition. If it does not matches, we'll look up and down based on the condition we get. So let's see, the same process. Let's do the same process. Let's see whether 90 works, the condition of the question. Okay, so if we assume the answer choice C as 90, labeling the answer is also something important. So here it means John spent at the supermarket. So we are assuming that John spent $90 at the supermarket. Okay, now what the question says, at a supermarket John spent half of his money on fresh fruits. Fresh fruit, he is spending half of the money, fresh fruits and vegetables. So half of the total money we have assumed as 90, so half of 90 would be 45. Then 1/3 on meat products. Meat products another 1/3. 1/3 of 90 would be 30. 1/3 of 90 would be 30. So another 30 on the meat products. Then 1/10 on bakery products. So 1/10 of 90 would be 9. So right. So you will have 9 spent on bakery products. And if you spend the remaining $6 on candy. So candy is another $6 he is spending. Okay, so what is the condition here to check? Whatever these total, right, total of 45 plus 30 plus 9 plus 6 should be equivalent to the 90 itself, because that's the total amount we have assumed initially. So 45 plus 30 is 75, 75 plus 9 is 84, 84 plus 6 is 90. So it matches the condition, bingo, right? So you see that 90 answer choice C we have assumed is also coming as this total also coming as 90. So that's it matches the condition, answer has to be C. You no need to worry about looking for any other answer choices. In a back solving, once you got the answer once the answer matches the condition, that has to be the answer. You no need to look for any other answer choices. You can eliminate D, E, A and B. Answer has to be here C, 90. Hope this is clear. Thank you.